Hey guys, 22 Plinkster here. A little while ago, Demolition Ranch challenged me to a trick shot. So what he did was he spun a quarter on a board, backed up, and shot it with a pistol. And he said if an amateur can do it, such as himself, I should be able to spin 2 quarters and shoot them before they quit spinning. I won't have to admit, it's a pretty difficult shot, but instead of using quarters, Demolition Ranch, I'm gonna use nickels. All right, here are 2 nickels, not quarters. Demolition Ranch used quarters. I don't have as much money as Demolition Ranch, so we're gonna have to use nickels here. It's about 18 degrees out here. My hands are frozen solid, so hopefully my finger doesn't fall off when I flick these things. Here we go. Ah, come on. I need a little bit more wider platform. Let's try it again. Ah, it's gonna hit too. Come on. There you go. 2 shots. Whew. Man, it is cold. Those were nickels, Demolition Ranch, not quarters. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Y'all be safe and keep plinking.